Hi everyone, last video on blockchain here. We discussed blockchain in general, where blockchain lives, and I'd like to give you an example of blockchain so you can see how it's relevant to business. Let's look at some of the benefits. So blockchain can make something that takes days now take minutes or even real time. Not only that, it slashes internal and external auditing costs, so think of overhead. Not to mention, it reduces the risk of cybercrime between business networks, improves trust in business networks as well because everyone keeps ledgers updated the same way. The use case I have today explains shared reference data, or more specifically routing codes in a bank. Everyone in the business network keeps their own copy of reference data. It's like a paper trail. And when we put this data into blockchain, we control who can change and access data once it's been changed, making the whole process real time. Wells Fargo did this at the end of 2019, and working with them, they told us, hey, we would like to put our reference data on blockchain because we have business networks that extend beyond different organizations, time zones, even countries. So what they found is that blockchain was more efficient in managing reference data. It reduced the number of errors, gained real-time access to data, and even created a natural workflow around creation, modification, and deletion of data. So it goes without saying that the financial industry has been a pioneer with blockchain technology, but all industries are using blockchain today. And one trend my team always sees, no matter the industry, is that organizations using blockchain increase efficiency and decrease costs thanks to things like shared ledgers, consensus, smart contracts, and something very important today, privacy. I believe that the market is ready to fully embrace blockchain. Most companies start small in one area of business, and then when success is achieved, just rinse and repeat in other areas of the organization. This is where partners are important because they help guide you in adoption to more easily scale, increase efficiency, save costs. Partners have a huge flood of resources. And, the way I usually see blockchain journeys play out is with the following resources or key players. Let's just call them regulators, the people who are interested in this technology. They live, breathe, and sleep blockchain. Regulators have real-time view of what's happening in a particular industry and then report back to teams like mine so we can help whoever's interested in developing blockchain. Even a number of industry groups have formed that allow organizations to form opinions and, more importantly, best practices on how to use blockchain. For example, the Mobility Open Blockchain Initiative, or MOBI, is looking at blockchain to see how they can make mobility more efficient, greener, and even safer. And then lastly, there's market makers, the people who are providing new and innovative products, features, and processes to the rest of the industry. Discussing blockchain and hearing the potential customers' thoughts on how it might help their business is step one of what I do with my team when someone comes to us interested in blockchain. It's basically an engagement model that embodies a common sense approach, kind of like what we're doing today. And step two is to get your feet wet. So let's get our hands dirty. Let's check out blockchain. We take your technical people or our experts in blockchain to explore what it can or can't do for your business based on our conversations. And then lastly is, let's just begin the proof of concept. Discuss where blockchain is adding value to your business network after we check it out, the POC. And if all looks well, the gradual scaling of cost elimination, improved efficiencies, and increased access to transactions across your whole business network can begin. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if I can be of help in any way, and I wish you all the best. Peace.